Hi, what's up guys? How to play two instruments together in FL Studio. Sometimes you may have two or more instruments you want to play together. So how can you play them together? I have one instrument here and I have another instrument down here. And I want to play these two instruments together to give me a new vibe. So what I'm going to do is to add this plugin called Layer. What Layer does is to assist you play multiple instruments together. So when you add the Layer plugin, select all the instruments you want to play together. When you select them, come back to Layer and set children. So this is how to play multiple instruments together in FL Studio. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Peace.